I want to give you a real world example where I was able to use these built-in surveys to get valuable insights to help with marketing. So what we used in this case was Net Promoter Score, which is the standard way of measuring customer satisfaction. Now, maybe you don't like using Net Promoter Score. There are a lot of people that don't. I'm not here to make a value judgment about what's the best way to measure customer satisfaction, but that's just the one that we used. And what we did was we had the customer satisfaction prompt happen based on critical events. So for example, when they completed this transaction, when they downloaded this item. So in all of these cases, they would be prompted to provide a Net Promoter Score. And what I discovered was that Net Promoter Score in general was quite high, regardless of what transaction or what event happened in this web-based product. But it was particularly low with one feature, with one product, if you will. So what I was able to realize is that because people were fundamentally unsatisfied with this particular feature, it's something that needs to be addressed at the strategic level. And in the meantime, it's probably something we don't want to promote too aggressively because we're not fulfilling the value proposition of this feature, but we are with the others. So for example, if you're optimizing your website, then what that means is that this particular feature, you may want to kind of put it further down on the drop-down list. You may want to highlight other use cases on the homepage, because if you're not able to fulfill that benefit or execute that feature very well, then promoting it aggressively may be a poor strategy. And if satisfaction is very low, reviews are very low, then your conversion rate will go down.